guys, once again welcome to Activist Question Pro. Here I am going to solve more questions on linear equation in one variable of class 8 exercise 2.3. In my last video I have solved till question number 6. Now we start from question number 7. So question number 7 is x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. There is a bracket. Here you can multiply this 5 with this x, because this denominator 5 will become numerator when it transforms from right side to left side. Otherwise you can multiply this 4 by 5 with each term of this bracket. Here there are two terms in this bracket, x and 10. You can multiply 4 by 5 with x and 4 by 5 with 10. Then as usual by transposition method you solve this equation. Otherwise here in right side, at our right side, 5 is the denominator of all these terms, x and 10, because 4 by 5 is a whole constant for these two terms. You can multiply this with this and this with 10. So it will be easy for you. First multiply this 5 with x, because this 5 divide 4, but when it transfer to our left side it will multiply with this x. So 5x is equal to 4 with x plus 10. Multiply 4 with x plus 10, because here x plus 10 is the denominator, because there is no more numbers, no more constants present below it. It means it is a numerator. It means there is a 1 as the denominator. Here x plus 10 is the numerator and 4 is the numerator. Then both multiply it, numerator with numerator, and then 5x is 4x plus 40, and then 5x minus 4x is equal to 40, and here x is equal to 40. Here x is equal to 40, and then check its value for this equation whether it is true or not. X 40 is equal to 4 by 5, 40 plus 10. Here I put value of x in this equation. Here we get the value is 40. The value of x is, numerical value of x is 40. So here we put the value of x as 40. 40, 40, 40 and 40, and then 40. 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 is 50, and this 50 can cancel by this 5, and here 10 remain as its numerator. Then 40 is equal to 4 into 10. It implies 40 is equal to 40. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So for this equation, the numerical value of x, what we get in by solving by transposition method, this is 40. 40 is your answer. The next question, question number 8. 2x by 3 plus 1 and 7x by 15 plus 3. Here question number 8 is a different cases from other numbers, because in my previous cases x is just a whole number, or the coefficient of the variable x is a whole number, a negative number, a positive number. But here the coefficient of x is a fractional number, means here 2x by 3 means 2 by 3 is the coefficient of x, and here 7 by 15 is the coefficient of x. No problem. Okay, you can collect all the variables to our left side and the constant to our right side. You can move. Otherwise first take the LCM of left side and then take the LCM of right side, and then solve by transposition method. But here I am going to solve by move this constant to our left side and move these variables to our left side and constants to our right side. Means 2x by 3. Here this is the term consisting constant x, consisting variable x. So 7x by 15, and then 3. this plus 1 become minus 1. Here both the variable contains x and both the variable are fractional part. The coefficient of variable x is a fraction, is a rational number. So as you know how to add, how to multiply, how to subtract, means all these types of operations, mathematical operations of rational number you know very well, as operation of rational numbers. Here you subtract these both two rational numbers consisting of variable x. Here 3 and 15, LCM of 3 and 15 is 15, and then 5 divide 15 by 3, answer is 5. Then multiply with the numerator 2x, it will become 10x minus 15 by 15 is 1. Then multiply with the numerator 7x is 2. Here 3x by 15 is 2, and then multiply the denominator with the 2, it will become 15 into 2 is 30, and then x is 30 by 3. 30 by 3 is 10. This is the numerical value of x is 10 for this equation. Now check it whether it is right or not. Put the value of x in this equation, same equation. 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1, 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3, 20 by 3 plus 1, 70 by 15 plus 3. Take the LCM. 3, 20 plus 3, 70 plus 45 by 15, 23 by 3, here 5, 7, 11, 15. Here 23 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number, so it cannot be cancelled by any number. But here this 115 means 115 and 15 both are cancelled by 5. By cancelling it, it will become 23 by 3. So now LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of x is 10 for this equation. Okay, first we solve it and then verify, check whether it is right or not. Here the value of x is justify the equation, question number 8. Then next number, question number 9. Question number 9. Here in my last question, question number 8, the term consisting variable x is a fractional number, is a fractional part. But here the constant, both the constant here are fractions, are rational numbers. Okay, as you know, by transposition method, first move the variables to our left side, to y plus y, minus y will become plus y, and then 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3, and it will become 3y by adding this 2y with y, and then both the denominator same, so 3, 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3 each 7, and then 3y is equal to 7, means y is equal to 7 by 3. Y is 7 by 3. The value of the variable is 7 by 3. Then check it. Here we check it. 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3, 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3, 14 by 3. By multiplying this 2 with the numerator, 2 into 7, 14 plus 5 by 3, and then take the LCM 3, both the denominator same of both the number, 26 minus 7, and here at our in our left side both the new denominator same 3, then add the numerator simply, 26 minus 7, 19 by 3, and by adding 14 with 50 it will become 19 by 3, 19 by 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of y, the numerical value of the variable y is 7/3 for this equation of question number 9 of exercise 2.3. Then next question number 10. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8/5. Here the variable is m, two terms 3m and 5m, and one single term constant minus 8/5. So 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8/5, and here 3m minus 5m are of opposite signs, so put the sign of the greater number, it's minus, and subtract 2m, minus 2m and then minus 8/5. Here on both the sides there are a negative sign, there are a negative mark, so cancel it from both the sides. And 2m is equal to 8/5 and m is 8/5. These two is as numerator in our left side. When it moves to our right side, it will divide the constant, so it will multiply with the denominator. Because denominator divide the numerator, the work of 2 here, the function of 2 to divide the constant of our right side, so multiply with the denominator, and here 8/10 is 4/5. The value of m for this equation is 4/5. Then check it. 3 into 4/5, 5 into 4/5 minus 8/5. Here 12/5 cancelled, 4 minus 8/5. 12/5, 5, here 4/1. The no numbers as the denominator means 1 is the denominator, and take the LCM of 1 and 5, and the LCM is 5. Then divide by 1, 5, and multiply with the numerator. 5 4 ja 20 minus 8. 12/5 is 12/5. LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of m is 4/5 is true, is justify the equation. Justifying the equation. Okay. Finally, we have covered all these questions of exercise 2.3 of linear equation in one variable, class 8 mathematics. And as we say in my last video, collect more and more questions from internet, from Google, and make practice at your home. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.